Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Welcome to my channel. How to presentation, how to lecture, how to class, how to tutorial. Today's my class and my lectures, my presentation, my YouTube channel, my videos. How to increase your website traffic, SEO without SEO, and I use an SEO. The more traffic and your website, and how to gain a lot of make money and revenues, earn monies. Increase your website traffic SEO. Search engine optimization can be a blending strategy. Increase your website traffic, but it instead always engage. Imaging your real on SEO for all your traffic. What's happened when the Google algorithms change your reach long potential customers? That why driving and your method of increase web traffic can be best result if you have multiple traffic source. Change algorithms wanted completed, then complete, then your business you will have a talking full optimization suggests to keep your business running. Driving shape your web traffic can also be helping you crisis when their latest source scope for search engine optimization, for example your postcard. In the post, we are going a look at effective strategy to grow your website traffic without SEO and use SEO, search engine optimization, so your neighbor late standard by algorithm change again, while also look at practical tips you can that use right now so you can get back your game if your traffic has been low for the well. Why should you try to grow traffic? SEO, search engine optimization. You can current escape traffic from search engine optimization. All traffic is equal. High quality traffic then include use more like and convert. Offer better OI, so you need to possible it. Please, if you aren't and search engine optimization expert, you may need what to focus and this strategy to grow your website and try effective traffic. This is don't mean you complete algorithm in search engine optimization, all website improve in other niche, and your follower best your search engine optimization practice to allow bring in by Google and use the chat and tricks. Top search engine web traffic and search engine optimization number one, content marketing number two, paid ads number three, link building strategy number 5, internet within the blocks number 6, provide the excellent customer service and X customer review brand. I can details specific this point. And number 1, content marketing. Content marketing. If you have been ready about the digital marketing for a while, you must have heard to them. The content marketing is simple word. It is a way to organically advertise on your brand through high quality content. Content marketing strategy often include blog post, postcard, ECPS, and infographics, YouTube videos, PDF, etc., etc. Increase targeted and time tracking, companies frequency uploading, improve blog post and research data, and provide work life in the care. This attack use insight in time management, poverty, and his oil and the work when they read track blogs when illegally discover to them the risk have algorithm is then the products tool some visible and helping target increase in website traffic and ROI. Content marketing is the ingredient blog post, and if you can add in thoughts audio can the launching postcard and hot is ownable. There are more social media apps and use the post able to contain from the including photo, audio, and clips. Long for text and videos can explain with you more than the format to search and work best your audience. Number two, the paid ads. The content marketing is the beneficial but can the lot of money essential playing and each in website in original website. If you quick the result budget and the snort, save and the most in paid in can individually generated and then your website, your new advertising and social media platform, apping and invoice query just ad from the people the because is in even. The last platform from effective advertising then fact advertising on less known the platform whose audience against your product can be more effective and the long run. For example, if you the ideal customer and include three and adjoining machine in your old store and better than your advertising on Reddit, then Facebook, YouTube, and etc. etc. Number three is the social media strategy. Who one of the best or increase your website traffic the to most your customer when you like to gain out in the discuss and enable most enjoy using social media 2 days. The ramp up in your social media marketing effort can help reach a new developer brand and or brand awareness and increase your web traffic. How to get website traffic through in social media point to customer and social media you can just bring into the conversion and the people but the something from you old visitor and websites. Think about how present your build and reach will when you meet an individual the first time. Old you immediately take sales and price. How about providing details about your product service without including yourself first? To make sure your effort and well the received you need to provide value then development post relationship with and partner follows. You can do by the setting as house. Details guide and closing social media followers and boosting and engagement. How are some and trough offering and help your website. Join relevance, the Facebook group, share help and active and videos, messenger and your post and community and the how connect your Gable oil label this and comment and energy sheet. The number four, link building strategy. Very important the strategy, LinkedIn strategy. When market team and about SEO and SEO link building, frequency, customer mind and expected website link and your connect and algorithm used in increase in rank to this search for page. The should help but also and do you know link building can be help increase your traffic and rely your on SEO search engine optimization. Link building for brand awareness is process where you force and stage explain the reach put of the connect in you and granted and conversion event. This is the most of the client backlink, the blog post, link building for the brand awareness, taken more planning and resource, but invite your high quality leads and the grade. He also the development effect link and the strategy increase your web traffic, engage with your audience, work is a PRS guest blog including. Number 5, increase your with an owner blogs. Number 6, email marketing. Number 7, the product excellent customer service. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck. I can 10 minutes presentation, my class and my tutorial. How to increase your website website traffic and search engine with SEO, search engine optimize. Use search engine optimize. How to increase your website traffic. Thank you. Best of luck.